Be ready for the dictation. Start. Whatever is produced is partly consumed for export and partly for hoarders and black marketeers. Hoarders and black marketeers are responsible for high prices. How to check this menace? I spoke about the essential articles such as food grains, sugar, etc. Is this the strategy to tackle high prices and hoarding? The hoarders will not part with the hoarded stock. The government is so powerless to take over the hoarded stock. They have to import, but how much can you import and who will pay for these imports? There is more than 26 lakhs tons of sugar available with the millers. I do not know the figure about food grains that is lying hoarded. You have no courage or the policy or the moral strength to take that. The entire people will support you if such a bold decision is taken to bring out the hoarded stock. Particularly, the working class and the rural poor will support such a policy. Para. Yesterday, we discussed about cement in this house. The government says that the price of cement is rupees 69, but it sells for rupees 120 a bag. Building workers are going without employment. Only black marketeers are purchasing cement at that price. So, the black marketing, black money, and high prices are the symptoms of a disease. This disease is deeper in our economy because our policy is to make the rich richer. Have any of these monopoly houses suffered due to high prices? Take the accounts of the monopoly houses. Their assets have grown and their profits have increased. Their investments have increased. The finance minister will try to excuse himself by saying that I am speaking about the ideology, but ideology is necessary. Our nation has an anti imperialist ideology. We have an anti capitalist ideology. Our ideology is not pro capitalist or pro imperialist. Our ideology is the ideology of the Indian people, the working people. It is so from the Karachi resolution. As a nation, we have evolved that policy. That is what I am asking you. So, I do not want you to use this thing for politics. You have to decide which class you are going to defend and which class you are going to attack unless we are clear about it. Which party rules is not the point. If they pursue the same policy, nothing is going to happen and the situation will be worse. We will appeal again to do something to strengthen the public distribution system, at least save the people from starvation. Immediately, he will say that there are no starvation deaths because no death is reported as starvation death in the country.